Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nur Islam. Today I will teach you chemistry class 9th. Topic number 1, what is meant by chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deal with the study of matter, in which we study about composition of matter, composition, structure, properties, and reaction. The study of the composition of matter, structure of matter, properties of matter, and the reaction of matter. So what is meant by composition? Composition means made up of suppose I am taking example of H2O. The composition of H2O molecule, it means that it is made up of 2:1, 2 hydrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom in this molecule. This is called as composition. Made up of के किस चीज़ से बना हुआ है? Structure of molecule. Structure means proper arrangement of atoms inside a molecule. Suppose H2O. This is the structure of water molecule, angular structure. So structure in chemistry, we study structure like this. The proper arrangement of an atom की proper जो arrangement है, इससे जो structure बनता है, that is structure. Properties of matter, there are basically two main properties. Physical property of matter, physical property. Second one, chemical properties. Physical properties are those properties which is related to physical concern. Suppose melting point, boiling point, temperature, density, these are the physical properties of matter. Chemical properties are the chemical reactions. What are the chemical reaction of the matter? And the reaction of matter. What are the different products? Suppose what are H2O plus NaCl, H2O plus CO2. So what are the different types of products we are gained by reacting H2O with different kind of atom, different kind of molecules. So this is all about chemistry. I repeat, chemistry is a branch of science in which we study about matter, study of matter, the composition of matter, the structure of matter, the properties of matter, and all the reactions that are taking place inside the matter. It's all about the chemistry. Our second topic is all about branches of chemistry. As we know that 1.2, as we know that chemistry is very wide subject, so to cover all the aspects of chemistry, it has been classified into different groups and subgroups. So we will discuss the major groups here. First major branch is physical chemistry. So what is meant by physical? What is meant by physical chemistry? Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study about relationship between composition and the physical properties. Of matter. So physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study about the relationship between composition and physical properties of matter. The composition and physical properties of matter. The study of composition and physical properties of matter is called as physical chemistry. This chemistry also discusses the transformation of matter. How liquid is converted into solid state, solid into gas. It also discusses. So what are the applications of physical chemistry? Physical chemistry reveal and discuss about two important chemistry: structure of atom, structure of molecules, structure of molecules. This is all about physical chemistry, in which we study about transformation of matter first. Secondly, you can define in another way. It discusses the relationship between composition and physical properties of matter. Second major branch of chemistry, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a major branch of chemistry which cover the domain of organic compound, in which we study about organic compound, organic compounds, hydrocarbons, derivatives of hydrocarbons, HC means hydrocarbon. Organic compound, those compound which is made up of totally carbon and hydrogen atom. Carbon is important. Hydrocarbons, there are basically, we will discuss three types of hydrocarbon in this chemistry: alkane, alkenes, alkynes. So what are the derivatives? Derivatives are those hydrocarbons, those organic compound which is derived from the major organic compounds. Another definition of derivatives of hydrocarbon is the replacement of a single hydrogen molecule from the major hydrocarbon and adding different substituent into it, that is called as derivatives of. It's all about organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a major chemistry in which we study about hydrocarbons, organic compound, hydrocarbons and their derivatives. So next major branch, inshallah, we will discuss in detail all these topic. This is the short introduction of the sub-major branches of chemistry. It's having different. Organic chemistry is a separate discipline in chemistry. Physical chemistry is a separate discipline in chemistry. Sorry. Major branches number 3. Number 3, inorganic chemistry. What is meant by inorganic chemistry? So it is a major branch of chemistry in which we study about the inorganic compounds, study of inorganic compound. Inorganic compounds. Secondly, we can say that inorganic chemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study all those compounds except hydrocarbon, study of all compounds except hydrocarbons. So it's all about inorganic chemistry in which we study about inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds are everything in the universe that is not made up of carbon and hydrogen. So study of all compounds except hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons के अलावा जितने भी compounds को आप study करते हैं, I am taking example of H2O, NaCl and etc. There are millions of alcohol. Fourth major branch, biochemistry. What is mean by biochemistry? What is meant by biochemistry? Biochemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study about the substances composition, structure, molecules, properties, reactions. Biochemistry, bio means life, chemistry means chemistry. So the study of life, the branch of chemistry in which we study life, it's also we can say. So biochemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study about the composition of substances, structure of substances, properties of substances and all the reactions of the substances or molecules inside a living organism, inside a living organism, inside living body. Suppose we are taking glucose. We are entering glucose and due to different type of reaction, catabolism, anabolism, it will convert it into ATPs plus different wastes. So the study of this glucose inside the living organism, the study of this glucose molecule, the composition of the glucose, structure of the glucose, properties of the glucose reaction inside the living organism, this such types of study is the domain of biochemistry inside the chemistry. This is number 4. Major branch number 5. Industrial chemistry. What is meant by industrial chemistry? Industrial chemistry. So industrial chemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study of different techniques. It discuss about the study of different techniques, study of different techniques for the formation of different industrial products, Industrial chemistry is a study of, it discusses about the different techniques in the formation of different, suppose NaCl. What are the different steps are involved in the formation of NaCl? Suppose H2SO4, suppose NH3, Cl2. So what are the importance of these products in our life? Due to the needs and the importance of these different industrial products, we need to study the branch of chemistry like industrial chemistry. So industrial chemistry, it discusses the techniques of the formation of different industrial products. इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए जो केमिस्ट्री बनाई गई है, दैट इज़ इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री। वो आपको मुख्तलिफ टेक्निक्स बनाते हैं। प्लास्टिक्स बनाने के टेक्निक्स आपको बताता है कि हाउ टू मेक प्लास्टिक्स, व्हाट आर नायलॉन्स, फाइलॉन्स, व्हाट आर दिस आर। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द मेजर ब्रांच इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट्स। नेक्स्ट, major branch number 6, it's nuclear chemistry. What is meant by nuclear chemistry? So nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry which discuss all about the nucleus. What is meant by nucleus? Nucleus of an atom क्या है? What is mean by the nucleus of an atom? Second, radioactivity. So nuclear chemistry covered all the parameters of the nucleus. What is mean by the nucleus? What are the different nuclear reactions? What is the second one is radioactivity. What is mean by radioactivity? There are certain elements which show continuous radiation, certain unstable elements shown continuously radiation, like e.g. uranium. कोबाल्ट भी है आपके पास। सो न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री डिस्कस द न्यूक्लियस एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय रेडियोएक्टिविटी। तो न्यूक्लियर जो केमिस्ट्री है वो आपको न्यूक्लियस और रेडियोएक्टिविटी को रिवील करता है। ये दो चीज़ें आपको डिस्कस करता है। नेक्स्ट जो ब्रांच है दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट ब्रांच नंबर 7, इट्स ऑल अबाउट इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री। व्हाट इज मीन बाय इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री? So environmental chemistry is a branch of chemistry which discuss the relationship of living organism with their environment. Living organism का इसके environment के साथ क्या relation है और इसको क्या करता है आपको environment. So we can say that environmental chemistry is the study of all the aspects of the environments. There are basically two aspects: biotic components Second one, A biotic component is the living component. Non-living components. So environmental chemistry, it is a branch of chemistry in which we study about all the aspects of the environment. What are the abiotic component of the environment and what are the biotic component environment. So is the biotic and abiotic component are the abiotic component or biotic component affect the human nature? So all this we will study in environmental chemistry. So it's all about environmental chemistry. So our last one is analytical chemistry. What is meant by analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry क्या चीज़ है? Branch number 8, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. So what is meant by analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry, it is a branch of chemistry in which we study about two aspects of a matter. Suppose qualitative quantitative. Qualitative measurements. So analytical chemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study about the qualitative analysis or measurement of the matter and quantitative analysis of the matter. Suppose what qualitative analysis, quality mean what is the quality? Suppose color, taste, texture, these are the qualities. What are the quantity? Quantity means how much the component is present. Quantity means 1 kg, 2 kg. That's all about quantity. So analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which cover the qualitative and quantitative aspects of matter. हम जो है एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री में मैटर्स की क्या करेंगे, क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस करेंगे और क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस करेंगे. एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री के एप्लीकेशंस क्या है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री. सो इट प्ले अ मेजर रोल in the pharmaceutical companies, especially in the formation of oral suspension. It's all about the branch of chemistry. Inshallah, we will discuss some of the major definitions related to the chapter number 1, fundamental of the chemistry. So I hope you are getting my points. Thank you very much.